Welcome back to Brisketmedic, guys. We're in the backyard again. I am Zach, the Brisketmedic, and today we're going to be doing the all-famous pig shots on our Weber kettle. We're going to show you how to make it easy to do at home. Before we jump into that, remember to like and subscribe if you haven't already to catch up on all of our old recipes, cooks, tips, and tricks. Let's jump in here and get started on these amazing pig shots. So first things first, with any shot, you got to start with a shot glass, and this is going to consist of a sausage of your choice wrapped in bacon, held in place with a toothpick. We got our shot glasses made up, and on our skewers, we've got 3 to a skewer, 4 skewers deep. That's a half a dozen, because I can math. Now, what good is an empty shot glass? It ain't any good at all. Let's go ahead and get our mixture prepared for our pig shots, and what it's going to consist of is 1 whole brick of cream cheese. Make sure it's softened. Leave it out at room temp for a couple hours before you do this. It's going to make mixing so much easier. 1/4 cup of shredded cheese, 1/4 cup of diced, I like pickled jalapenos. I just like that tang from the pickling that it adds to it, and then a teaspoon or tablespoon rather of your favorite rub. We're going to be using Uncle Steve's Shake Gator Shake, and we're going to get that all mixed together, thrown into a Ziploc bag, and I'll show you how we like to fill our shot glasses, and then we'll get our grill started. Now that we've got this all mixed up, let's go ahead and get it into our bag. I've often contemplated using my jerky gun, my jerky squeeze gun. It's like a caulk gun for beef jerky, to do this, but in all reality, I'm too lazy to clean it, so I'd rather just use this and throw it away when I'm done. Get all this we can into the bag. I know we're not going to use every ounce of it or get every ounce of it into the bag, but we'll do the best we can. In this economy, nothing needs to go to waste. Hands are nice and dirty. All right, we're going to cut just the tip off. We'll high them so that we can pipe in to our shot glasses. When we fill these, we have to remember that this bacon is going to shrink up as it cooks, so we don't want to fill them all the way up, or it's going to be squirting out. Usually that's great, but in this case, not so much. All right. Squeeze it in, squeeze it in, all the way. See, I'm about a 1/4 inch from the top in all of these. Now, it'll still probably squeeze over the top a little ways, but we don't want them curling out like 1/2 inch, because then you just have a chance of it falling off and taking everything from the inside when it falls over. These beautiful pig shots. Now we got a little full, that'd be okay. Outstanding. We got a little left over. We'll save that. Maybe we'll make some Daddy Dutch style grilled cheeses. On top, let's go ahead and hit it with a little bit more of this Gator Shake. Not a ton, just a little bit. Get a little extra pop of flavor and color, all that good stuff. All right, the wind blew most of that away. That's good. All right, let's turn our attention to the grill. Let's go ahead and get it started up. I'm going to be using some Texas Oil Dust lump charcoal. Now that our pig shots are filled up and we've got a little seasoning on them, let's use our Texas Oil Dust oak lump charcoal, made in Texas. It's the good old-fashioned stuff. So we've got our old-time charcoal just in our slow and sear off to the one side, because we're going to be cooking these indirect on this side of the Weber. And yeah, I know I need to get it clean, but it is what it is. Let's get it lit up. Want enough room for the air to circulate through, not be too close to the fire there. We're going to go ahead and shut it down. 30 minutes, flip it all around. All right, folks, it's been a half hour. It's time to go ahead and spin these around so they don't get overcooked too much. You'll see here, we didn't fill them up all the way, but there's still a little bit of excess coming out the top, and that's why we didn't want to fill them up all the way completely, because it'd just be everywhere. Get these flipped around, put the lid back on it. I'm going to turn this fire down a little bit. I think it's burning a little bit over 300 right now. I really want it to be between 275 and 300. We're going to get it cranked down, but now we need to start thinking about what we're going to glaze it with. So let's head inside and put together a sauce. This sauce is going to be really simple. It's just going to be 3/4 cup of ketchup, This sauce is going to be super simple. 3/4 cup ketchup, 3 tablespoons to 1/4 cup of maple syrup, a tablespoon each of apple cider vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, and Uncle Steve's smoke bomb. Get that mixed up and set to the side. Get that all mixed up, set it to the side, because when we come back, we're going to be glazing these down. I don't think these have very long at all to finish up. Maybe 15, 20 minutes. Let's go. After 55 minutes, we checked on these bad boys, and the bacon was fully cooked. It was done, getting a little bit dark, just how I like it, nice and crispy. So we took our barbecue sauce and glazed the sides and the top down, and we're going to leave them in there for another minute or two just to really set that glaze in. I'll bring you back when we're pulling them out so we can give them a taste test. Do a little shake on top, finish them off. Holy cow, friends. This looks outstanding. These are so amazing looking. We're going to top it off with a little bit of sweet and spicier. Man, it's going to be good. Just a little bit. Yeah, buddy. Oh, those look good. I can't wait to try one of these out. Here's to you. Wow. There's so much depth of flavor there from the smoke bomb barbecue sauce that we made. How it caramelized to that bacon. Get the saltiness of the bacon. You get that savoriness of the cream cheese. A little kick from the jalapeno in it. The little saltiness from the from the shredded cheese. And then you get that smoked sausage at the bottom. Man. These are shots your mama's gonna love. I may not be sharing these. Like, subscribe, drink more water. I love you. See you next time. Golly, that's good.